you have the good one.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. The fully developed one. No, like they have soup and everything.
Oh, that's good, dude.
What are these?
Oh, that's good.
Muffins. Is it good?
So I can just eat this all right now, right?
You want some of these?
No.
Oh, that's hot. Ah.
So good, man. Filipino said it's gonna help your like knee.
Libido.
I know it's true.
Sure, you want one?
Oh, not that. I only like eggs certain ways.
I just eat it all at one.
What'd you do that
Shot.
egg anyway?
Good to go.
Good.
Told you DC was, man.
I think it's more of a question of what they did not do to the egg.
Yeah, like
I don't like that part though.
The hard one or the yellow one?
The yellow stuff.
the yolk. So.
That's good stuff, dude.